Hello everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make tandoori chicken. For the ingredients I'll need, I'm taking half a chicken. You can take full chicken if you want to. Just take bigger cuts, right? Because if you take smaller cuts, while roasting it will go dry, right? So I have taken a whole breast and a wing and a whole chicken leg, which comprises the drumstick and the thigh, right? Now for the marination, I'll need ginger garlic paste around 1 tablespoon, 1 cup, around 1 cup of hung curd. Hung curd is basically normal Indian yogurt which has been hung in muslin cloth for around 4 to 5 hours just to let all that liquid go out, and we get in the end a really nice and thick yogurt, right? And then we'll need some mustard oil, around 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, just a little bit of nutmeg powder, salt, pepper, and in the end we'll just rub in some nicely toasted fenugreek leaves. And to tenderize the chicken, we'll either use lemon, you can also use vinegar, but I like the taste of lemon, so I'll add lemon into it, right? Now to start the marination will be basically in 2 parts, right? So for the first marination, I'll just score the chicken so that all that marination goes really inside the chicken, right? So score your chickens nicely. Don't go too deep, right? Just nick the chicken, right? So that the marination can go inside, right? So this chicken will go into a bowl, and to this I'll add around a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, some mustard oil, and the juice of around half a lemon. Now I'll just mix everything together. Make sure the chicken is nicely coated. Now some people add salt and pepper at this stage, but I don't do it because I like to marinate the chicken in like this for around 8 to 10 hours, or ideally overnight, and adding salt would make the chicken to lose all that moisture, that nice juiciness inside the chicken that will go out, right? So don't add salt if you are marinating the chicken like this for too long. If you are adding the second marination in like 1.5 to 2 hours, then you can add salt and pepper. So I'll just let it marinate like this in the fridge for around 8 hours. Now while the chicken marinates in the ginger garlic paste and the mustard oil, I'll prepare the second marination. For that, I'll take a bowl and add the hung curd, little bit of mustard oil, and then I'll start adding the spices. 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of toasted cumin powder, teaspoon of coriander powder, garam masala, just little bit of nutmeg powder. If you add too much nutmeg into it, It will really become better, right? So salt, pepper, just some fenugreek leaves, and then I'll whisk everything together. Now a lot of people add red color into this marination. Like, it looks nice, but it's not really healthy, right? Because the color they use is a liquid color, right? If you are using gel colors or fat soluble powder colors, that is okay, but the liquid colors are not exactly good for health, right? And why add color when it is not necessary? Right? Now to this I'll add the pre-marinated chicken. The chicken has marinated for 8 hours. Now I'll mix the two marinations together. And I'll coat the chicken. Right? Now I will let this marinate for another 2 hours and then I'll cook the chicken. Now it's been 2 hours and the chicken has marinated beautifully. Now I'm going to roast this inside the oven. So for that, I'll just take the pieces of the chicken, right? Now as this roasts, the color of the chicken will also start to become the redder because of the effect of the red chili powder, and it will have that smokiness of the oven, right? But make sure that you cook the chicken pieces evenly, because the breast will cook faster than the leg piece, right? So you have to take care about that, right? So now I'm going to put this inside a preheated oven at 230 degrees Celsius for around 10 to 12 minutes. And now at every 5 minutes I'll just flip the chicken and then I'll add some butter for basting. Now it's been 12 minutes and the chicken is ready by now, so I'll just take it out of the oven. Yeah. As you can see, it has cooked beautifully, and now I will let it rest for around 5 minutes so that all the juices that have gone to the center, they scatter back throughout the chicken, and the chicken gets back its juiciness, right? And then I'll plate it.